Alright, here I have a 1995 WaveVenture Yamaha 700cc 2-cylinder. Saw it on Facebook with the trailer, pretty nice trailer, for 700 bucks. So first thing is bring a battery and a compression tester whenever you're looking at one of these old jet skis. I'll explain on my Polaris story why that's important. Anyways, I'm just taking out the spark plugs here. I took this one out. I saw a little bit of corrosion on it, and then I think the other one didn't have that much corrosion on it. So here I'm just looking into the cylinder. You want to inspect the cylinder and the spark plug, just see the condition of the engine. The compression tester I was able to borrow from AutoZone, or rent it from AutoZone for $45, and I was able to borrow for 90 days, and then when you return it within 90 days you get your money back. It's a pretty nice compressor. Compression tester. I should probably get one, but I didn't have one, so I just borrowed it from them. Also important for a jet ski that hasn't ran in a long time. As you can see here, I remembered it's been sitting for 2 years. So I brought some Marine TCW3 oil, just to put a little bit into the engine, because obviously the engine hasn't ran in a while, and you don't want metal on metal grinding on. You don't know what kind of corrosion has built up. So just pour a little bit of oil in there just to kind of lube it up. What I like to do also is I arrange one of the spark plugs in a way where it's grounded. That way I can check for spark at the same time as I can check compression. So for the second cylinder I got 165, so I just plugged in a calculator for percent difference for 155 and 165, and I got a percent difference of 6.25%, and I believe the rule of thumb is if it's under 10% then it should be okay and you don't need a top end rebuild. So here I'm trying to start it, but I didn't realize the gas switch was turned off, and then later on I was able to start it with starting fluid, but I still didn't have the gas tank switch turned on, so but I ended up taking the carbs off anyways. Just to make a video. Got some starter fluid. So here, one of the bolts threads for the carburetors were cross-threaded. So I went ahead and ran a tap through it very carefully and was able to re-tap it and get it to be straight. It was kind of nerve-wracking, but luckily I was able to do it with no issues. As of right now, I'm going to probably throw the carbs back in, redo the lines, and try to start it again with the gas switch turned on.